Debit and credit. What is debit and credit? Debit means left side. Abbreviated as DR to debit means to put the account or amount in the left side. Credit means right side. Abbreviated as CR to credit means to put the account or amount in the right side. What is the use of debit and credit? Debit and credit are used to record the changes, increases and decreases, of an account like asset, liability, equity, revenue, and expenses, related with the business transactions. When to debit and credit an account? First, you should know the following rules of debit and credit. Again, to debit equals to record the account/amount in the left side. To credit equals to record the account/amount in the right side. Debit when in the transaction there is, when to debit. Debit when in the transaction there is, 1. Increase in asset 2. Decrease in liability 3. Decrease in capital 4. Increase in withdrawal 5. Decrease in revenue 6. Increase in expenses when to credit. Credit when in the transaction there is, 1. Decrease in asset 2. Increase in liability 3. Increase in capital 4. Decrease in withdrawal 5. Increase in revenue 6. Decrease in expenses. For example, December 1, 2019, Mr. Jordan invested $90,000 to start a business called Burger Queen. Using the previous table, the record under the process of journalizing will be, debit cash $90,000, credit Mr. Jordan capital $90,000. In this example, Mr. Jordan invested in the business $90,000. In the point of view of the business received $90,000, which is an increase in asset, cash, and increase in capital of the owner $90,000. There is increase in asset and increase in capital. Debit accounts are written first before the credit accounts. Credit account is indented to easily determine debit from credit account. Under the process of posting, the answer will be cash. Debit $90,000. Mr. Jordan capital. Credit $90,000. In this process, all the amounts are recorded to their related account using the device called T account. T account is used to summarize each accounts by transferring all debit and credit amounts related to each account recorded. Name of the account recorded at the top. All debit amounts related to the account is written at the left side of the T account. All credit amounts related to the account is written at the right side of the T account. Remember, debit, DR, is the left side and credit, CR, is the right side. The rules of debit and credit in terms asset, liability, capital, withdrawal, revenue, and expenses. The recording of debit and credit accounts under the process of journalizing. The recording of debit and credit amounts related to the account under the process of posting.